to my channel. Now I want to answer this question. So the first video that we made, we used this same question, but what we did there is that we constructed a quadrilateral that whose area is half the area of the given quadrilateral that we are given its properties here. So now we want to answer this question as given to us now. And let me read the question again. It says that a quadrilateral ABCD has the following properties. AB is 40 millimeters, BC is 25 millimeters, AD is 35 millimeters, angle DAB is 90 millimeters, and angle ABC is 135 millimeters. We have to construct the quadrilateral, and by using the quadrilateral that we have to construct here, we are going to construct a similar quadrilateral A1, B1, C1, D1, twice the area of this given quadrilateral, and we have to measure and state the length of C1, D1. So let's go and construct the given quadrilateral. So it goes as follows. The first thing that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. Then we are going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters on this line, 40 millimeters on this line. So this is the starting point, and this is 40 millimeters. So this point is point A here. Okay, so this is point A, and here we have what we have point B here. So next thing that we are going to do is that we have to construct the angles. We are told that the angle at A is 90 degrees. So with our protractor, be set at point A here. So we mark this point, so we put a dot on the paper, and we draw this line. So this line is perpendicular to line AB. Then at B, so we have to construct an angle of 135 degrees. So we read 135, this is 135 degree here. So this is 135 degree. So then we draw a line from B to meet this point. Okay, so this angle is 135 degree. So next that we are going to do is to get the length BC and AD. And how can we get that? So we take our compass on our ruler, we take a measurement of 25 millimeters for BC. It is 25 millimeters, so we measure 25 millimeters. Then we put at this point B here, we make an arc on this line. So this point here is point C, this is point C here. Okay, then the next is that we take 35 millimeters, which is for AD. So 35 millimeters on our ruler with the compass, and so we put the midpoint at A here, and we make an arc here. So this point is point D. So we have this point to be point D here. Okay, so now, we are going to join CD together. Join CD together to get the fourth length of the quadrilateral. So this is it. Okay, now that we have constructed this quadrilateral, let's go and draw a quadrilateral whose area will be twice the area of this given quadrilateral. So what we need to do now, I'm going to show you. Now, what we need to do, as I said, is that we need to draw a vertical line at this point A. Okay, so we draw a vertical line at point A, and the length of that vertical line will be equal to length AB. Don't forget that length AB is 40 millimeters. So we want to draw a perpendicular line that will be equal in length to AB. Be equal in length to AB. So AB is 40 millimeters. So I'll just draw it as 40 millimeters from here, like this. So I'll just draw a vertical line first. Then I'll measure 40 millimeters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 40 millimeters here. So this point here, I'm going to call this point, I'm going to call it point E. So this is point E. Okay, so this is point E. So and then we have that. So line AE, so this is point A here. So line AE is equal to AB. So 40 millimeters. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the point of my compass at point B here. I'll put the midpoint of my compass at B. Then I will extend it to point E. So extend it to point E like this. Okay. Then I will draw an arc like this to meet this BA extended. So this point now is point A1. This is point A1 for the enlargement. So the one that we did before is reduction, while this one is for enlargement. So we want to enlarge this figure, in which the enlarged figure will have its area to be twice the area of this given quadrilateral. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are to draw a line from point B through point D. So through point D, from point B, we draw a line through point D like this, and then we also need to draw it through point C like this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we take our protractor, we take our set square, we take our set square, and then we set it on line AD like this. So we set it on line AD. So let me use this. So we set it on line AD like this, and we shift it to point A1. So this is A1. So we draw this line to meet this line. Okay. So this is the new point D. So this is point D1 here. Then we also set our set square. So I think I will need a very long one. So we set our set square. We set it along our line CD. Set along line CD. Then we shift it to D1. Shift it to D1. Then we draw from here. So we draw from here to meet this line BC for us to get point C1. So this is point C1 here. So now, so we have enlarged this figure and make the area of the enlarged figure to be twice the area of the given figure. That is what we have done now. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to answer the last question that says that we should measure the length C1D1. We should measure the length C1D1. So we are going to take the measurement. So C1D1. So looking at what I have here, I have this to be 95 millimeters. So sorry, 85 millimeters, not 95. 85 millimeters. I didn't take it from 0. I'm taking it from 1. That is 85 millimeters. So we state it here. So C1D1. So is equal to 85. So plus or minus 1. So that is how you are to state it if you are asked to state a particular measured length on any figure that you construct. So it's as simple as I've done it here. Do not forget, what we did here is that we enlarge this figure or quadrilateral ABCD to another quadrilateral whose area is twice the area of the given quadrilateral ABCD. And the enlarged figure is A1, B, C1, D1. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.